Hello students, welcome back to the part 2 of chapter number 27. Now students, in this class we are going to learn how the prefixes and the suffixes changes the meaning of that particular word after or before they are added. Now if you see here, changing the parts of speech using the suffixes. Now how the suffixes, after we add the suffixes, how do they change the parts of the speech? Now if you see in the example, first one, sleep. Now if we add the suffix less, that is less, so it will become sleepless. And now if you see in the example, she had a good sleep last night. Here the sleep is actually the noun. But if you see in the second line, I had a sleepless night, second sentence. In this, the sleepless is actually the adjective which is telling us about the night, what kind of night that was. So that was the sleepless night. Next is paint. So if we will add er, it will become painter. Now I paint scenery. Now in this, paint is actually the verb because it is telling the action. In the second sentence, he is the painter I was talking about. Now in this, after adding the suffix er, it has become the noun. Painter is the noun here. Next, if you see, it is kind. That means after the kind, we are adding the suffix ness. It becomes kindness. He is very kind to me. In this, kind is actually the adjective. But now in the second sentence, if you see, kindness is a virtue. In this, the word kindness is actually the noun, because about this noun we are talking about, it is a virtue. So it is the noun here. Now students, we will learn about forming the antonyms using the prefixes. So now students, first of all, we need to know what the antonyms are. So students, our antonyms are the words which has the complete meaning of the other word. Okay, like if you see advantage, if we add the prefix dis, so it will become disadvantage, so which is completely opposite of the word advantage. So such kinds of words are the antonyms. Second is legal. If we add the prefix il, it will become illegal, which is yet again completely opposite word. Mature. If we add im, it will become immature. Accurate. If we add the prefix in, it will become inaccurate, which means not accurate. Rational. If we add ir, it will become irrational. Avoidable. If we add un, it will become unavoidable, which means not avoidable, which you cannot avoid, something that we cannot avoid. So students, that's all in this chapter. I will be sending you the PDF in which all the exercises will be given.